everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here with this NYX mermaid inspired makeup tutorial, or I guess you can say a neon colored type of inspired makeup tutorial. Here is what the look looks like up close. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to capture the yellow eyeliner on camera, so I apologize. I will try to do a similar look in the future. So if you want to see how to do this look, keep on watching. Now I want to give a huge shout out and a thank you to my girl Marissa, who got me half of the stuff I will be using in this makeup tutorial, like this awesome beauty blender. I know you guys have all been waiting for that. Thank you so much, Marissa, for getting me all these products. This video is for you, so I hope you enjoy it, and I hope, of course, everybody else enjoys this as well. I did look up a tutorial on how to properly use a beauty blender. They said to, I guess, dampen the sponge first and then dry it out or pat it dry a bit before you use it to put on your foundation. So I hope I did it right. And okay guys, I see what the rave is about. I approve. I'll stop using the triangular sponges, but can't let my dogs eat it. And I approve of it over the brush. My lips were dry. Sorry guys. As usual, I'm going to go in with my Revlon COLORSTAY concealer in the lightest shade. And since I got this awesome beauty blender now, I will be using that to blend it all in. So enjoy me using a beauty blender like all those other professional beauty gurus out there. I'm finally a step closer to being legit. Yay! So this is what people mean when they say beat your face. I get it now, I get it. Now, I hope you enjoy this lovely cookie eating bit. I was hungry, sorry guys. I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, so here we go. They're all done. And I'm gonna go in with this NYX eyeshadow base primer. And I'm gonna slap it on my eyelids and blend it all in. So new product number 1 is the NYX single eyeshadow in the color PSYCHEDELIC, which is a cool yellowish color. And we're going to put this color on the inner corners on our eyelids. For any eyeshadows that aren't that pigmented, I like to pack it on with my finger and then sort of blend it out with a brush and go back and forth between packing and blending. In the next color, I am going to use the shade STFU, which is Shut the Bleep Up, and you will see in a moment that I'm laughing off camera. Yeah, see, I can't hold it in. It's funny. I like the name. And then you're gonna just focus this in the center of the eyelids. Next, we are gonna go in with the shade Poolside, which is a very pretty, kind of glittery blue. Over here, I am focusing on the outer corners of my eyes, and I am trying to maintain somewhat of a line on the outside to create that wing slash, I don't know, cat eye kind of effect like I usually do with my eyeshadows. And I'm just going to keep blending that all into my crease and on the side of my face right there, towards my temples slash up towards my eyebrow. And then I'm going to take that color and I'm going to kind of go up towards that contour line up there beneath the eyebrow at the top bridge of my nose. Next we are going to go in with this darker blue shade called Turned Up, just to kind of give the other blue a little bit more depth on our eyelids and the crease. For this part I am taking a smaller brush so I can focus this color a little bit more on certain areas more towards the crease, and then kind of gradate it out upwards and blend it in with the other blue. We want to make our eyelids look a bit deeper with this color. Next, I'm going to take that same shade and I'm going to sort of pack it towards the inner parts of my eyebrows. I don't know how to like locate these parts of our faces, man. Is there names for these spots? Anyways, it's supposed to just look like there's gradients going on and there's certain parts of the eyes that are going deeper. Over here I'm actually using a different color, which I will show you in a second. I didn't dig this color too much. It's supposed to be like a kind of metallic, sort of shimmery blue, but I didn't realize since this is baked eyeshadow, I think you have to wet it a bit to activate it, so it's not so pigmented. I was kind of struggling getting the pigment onto there. Like the moment I would get the pigment on there and try to blend it out, it would just go away. So I had to keep packing it. I don't really care for this eyeshadow too much, but it is pretty when you do pack it. Here is the eyeshadow that I had just used. It's NYX Baked Eyeshadow, and it is in the shade Indigo Child, Denim Indigo. It's pretty. I just didn't realize you had to wet this one. I've never used a baked eyeshadow before. But there you go, there's the look. Now over here I'm going to go in with my concealer and I'm going to put some underneath my eyes and take my triangular sponge just for that harsh edge. And I'm going to conceal the outer parts of my eyeshadow to give it that harsh line. When you're dealing with crazy colors, it's always smart to save your powder for last, just so you can do that. Next, I'm going to use this Pop Beauty Velvet Powder Base. I don't know what this shade is called. I think it's like number 2 shade or something. And I'm going to brush that all over my face. I'm going to take my powder sponge and kind of sponge certain areas that are more bound to crease. Next I'm going to go in with my MANIC Panic Virgin White Pressed Powder, and I'm going to brush this powder underneath my eyes, in my T-zone, any areas that I want to highlight more. And as usual, I'm going to go in with my Morphe 06F Contour Palette, and I'm going to use that shade right there. And I'm going to contour my face. So today we're gonna use some blush, and it's a new blush. This is by NYX. It is a beautiful, I guess, another baked blush. It is in the color Wanderlust ESPIRIT d'Aventure. I don't know how to pronounce that. But even though it's baked, I didn't have to wet this. Luckily, it was pigmented enough to use just as is. And it's a pretty kind of shimmery blush. Then I'm going to kind of tone it down and blend it all out with my powder brush. Next, I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Powder Glow Illuminator that is actually from any pharmacy or drugstore. And I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, my brow bone, and my nose with this. I think my Cupid's bow too. And a little bit on the inner corners of my eyelids. You know how I like to do that with my fingers. Over here I am taking off the lip balm that I put on earlier just to take off any residue off of my lips or any dead skin because my lips are very dry and I want my lips to be smooth for lipstick application. Next I'm going to go in with this Deck of Scarlet palette. And I'm going to use the shade inside called Show Cute, which is that pink shade at the top up there. And I am going to put this on my lower lash line. With this color, I noticed it's not super pigmented, so I almost felt like this part was pointless, but I still wanted to try to see what it would look like. I was kind of going for like having the eyes be blue and yellow, and then I wanted to kind of do something pink underneath and then also match my lips to the pink on the lower lash line. I just wanted to kind of match it up, but it didn't show up so well, but it's all right. This is what it looks like. I went ahead and did my lashes, my liner, and my lips off camera. The yellow eyeliner is NYX and so is the lipstick. I just wanted to go in and show you guys that you can grab any stickers from the 99-cent store that look like jewels or sequences, and you can actually glue them on your face like this, and it's cute. I've seen a lot of makeup artists put little jewels on their faces before, so as long as you have eyelash adhesive, you can do this. So I hope you enjoy that. I apologize for not being able to put the eyeliner into this video and how I did it. I will try to do a similar look next time for you guys, just so you can see how you do that double color on black look. This eyeliner is a NYX liquid liner, and my lipstick is a liquid lipstick by NYX as well. It's one of the liquid suede lipsticks. And for this later half of the video, I'm going to go into this makeup haul. My girl Marissa got me all of these products, so I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I got. So the first one here is the Deck of Scarlet. That's the one I showed you guys earlier. She got me that Pop Velvet powder base, which I also used on my face. There's the color, 2 Cream. And she got me this cute little Sephora lipstick. She also got me another shade of lipstick. One color is A Little Magic, and the other color is Golden Gate. Got me this liquid lipstick called Havana Nights by Kathleen Lights. She gave me this L'Oreal Glossy Lip Balm in the shade 250 Baby Berry. And that's what it looks like. It looks like a big crayon. I actually love this one. Here's ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip. I tried this. It's a beautiful color. And it's in the shade Bijou. Did I say that right? I don't know. Who knows? Bijou, whatever. And then she got me this NYX Velvet Matte Lipstick. Told you guys, this is a NYX video, man. All of these, or most of these, are NYX. I was thinking of using this color for this tutorial, but I figured a pink would go better. And I actually did have a NYX liquid lipstick, so either way, I think we did a good job. And then she got me this Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Mocha. I love Ofra liquid lipsticks. They're a little pricey, so this is my favorite. And then she gave me this Too Faced Melted Matte liquid lipstick. Sorry, that was a mouthful. And I also love Too Faced liquid lipsticks. I have one melted matte lipstick and I actually love it. So I'm excited for this one. And I guess, I don't know, Milk Eye Pigment makeup. I don't know what that is. But she gave me this bag with all of that. And she gave me this NYX single eyeshadow in the shade, come on, Chaleur? I don't know. Here is that eyeshadow that I used from earlier. It's the Baked eyeshadow in the shade Indigo Child. And then here's that baked blush I used from earlier as well in the shade Wanderlust. She got me more NYX single eyeshadows. These are the ones that I used earlier for this makeup look. And here's a beautiful green one that she got me in the shade, let's see, come on Sabrina, show it. There we go. Dank. In the shade Dank. She gave me this little bag, and she also gave me some hair dye by Garnier. I want to thank you again so much, Marissa. You didn't have to do any of this. I'm still freaking out that I got all this makeup. You know I love makeup, so this video is for you. Thank you one more time, Marissa. I love you, girl. It was so nice seeing you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you guys liked the tutorial and this little haul. Subscribe to my channel and go ahead and follow me on social media on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you guys. See y'all later.